brushes. And which one to choose? Natural one or synthetic one? But before we get started, just hit the button below and subscribe and get all of my watercolor tips at your fingertips. Hi there, thank you for joining me today and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia and I live in Ireland, where I'm teaching people how to draw and paint, but not even in Ireland, all around the world. So let's jump into today's topic, which is brushes. Synthetic brushes have a spring belly even when they are loaded with water. They have a pointed tip, but they are not able to hold a huge amount of water. On the other hand, natural brushes have a smooth, not springy belly and are not so pointy. When loaded with color, they don't keep in shape, but the ability to load the color or water, it's just amazing. Let's try it. Both brushes are the same size. One is synthetic and the second one has natural bristles. So here we go. You can paint even longer with natural brushes, so the painting will be smooth. If I were you, I would prefer natural ones. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my today's video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can find me all over the social media. And see you next time. Bye bye bye. Mwah.